Alright, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I hope you guys are having a wonderful, blessed day. I am coming with a new video. I hope you guys are liking the videos. Hope you guys are subscribing. Let me know what other videos you like to see. I'm trying to keep constant, so I'm trying to keep it keep posting for you guys. So give me some great ideas. So today I do have this will be an unboxing haul for you guys. So this is the first time I'm actually using this company, doing their subscription. So this is their March subscription, and it's the Allure beauty box. See, let you guys see. So it comes like this. So, yep, it comes like this. So I actually found them online. I will have their description down below. But before we even get into the video, make sure you guys subscribe, have your post notifications bell on, because you don't want to miss any other videos from me. I will continue to keep on posting for you guys on this channel, but also if you go subscribe to my main channel as well, I do have a video up over there that I just posted. So please go show that channel some love as well. Alrighty guys, so let's see what we have in this juicy box that they just sent me. So it is a paid subscription. It was like $13. But you can choose if you want to do monthly or yearly, and you can choose what I believe day that you would like for it to come. But they have a whole bunch of goodies in here. Let's see. So it comes like that, like I stated, guys. Then it comes in this beautiful box. Look at this. Wow. Look at the goodie. Like, look. And this says, we know beauty best. It says, Ali has been a touchstone in the beauty industry for more than 30 years. And they said, we literally invented beauty journalists back when the first issue of Allure was published. We've been creatively beauty products and 3 ingredients listed ever since. It says it's in our DNA to pick, yes, every single product that goes inside yours. If you want to subscribe to them, you could do that too, guys. But yeah, they say into their Allure beauty box. Okay, guys. So they do research and they do select it. It's selected by their editor. So these are the best products that they are sending you. So they sent me this. This is my box. So they sent me some very exciting stuff that they handpicked. So I like that, guys. And so it even says, hope you love this box as much as we do. And then it also has where you can say hi to them. You can go to their YouTube, their Twitter, TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram. So I will have all that stuff in the link description down below. But this is pretty though. This box is very pretty. So the first thing that came with it, it says you're in. So you get a little card with it, and you get this every month, and it even tells you what you'll be getting along with it. And this one is 100 in value, so at least 6 products is in each box. And then it says exclusive offers, so it says up to 80% off on beauty essentials, and you can go to their websites as well. And then it even has 6 tips and tricks as well on that. And then you have another one. So very pretty, guys, very pretty. And then this, I think, it just shows you everything that's inside your box. Gives you a little bit of the history on it, which I think is very cool, you know. And then it even has this. It says, give your beauty routine a spring clean. So It even has this, guys. Then it even shows you like the beauty products also on the back. So wow, that's beautiful. So once you open it, look at all this good, guys. Look at all that. So let's see what we have in here, guys. And I cannot wait to do actually a review on this. Okay, guys. So I will be doing every review. So I'm gonna be doing a different video where I'm gonna be doing a review on all the products that I have gotten. I do have another video I do need to also film. Okay, but this one is called Perfect Shine. This is a clarifying scrub. Oh, scalp scrub. So this is for your hair. And this is the Natural Lab. So it looks like this, guys. Hope you guys can see. And then let me I'm gonna open it and see what it smells like for you guys. Oh. It has a smell to it, but it looks like this, guys. Oh, wow. Yeah, it has it does have a natural smell to it, but it smells good. Oh, yeah, it smells really good. I cannot wait to try this. And this is for your scalp. And it even shows you, like, the directions on how to apply it. So, which I like, guys. So, thank you. Want to try that. Can't wait. And this one is called the Augustinus batter. This is the rich cream with TFC 8. So this one, let me open it up for you. But it comes in a pretty box. Like, hope you guys can see that. See, it's this. And let me open it. Okay. Comes with instructions, guys. Along with, so this is what it looks like once you open it. Now let me see what it smells like. So it doesn't really have a smell to it, but that's okay. I can't wait to try that as well. So we're just gonna put it back in. Okay, now this is okay. So the next thing is the Cetaphil. Okay, this is the gentle skin cleanser. So I used this brand before in a bigger it was in a bigger one. It's not this one, but it was another cleanser that I had used, and this one's for dry to normal. So, and this is a sensitive skin one. So mine's was actually, I think it was hydrant. I think it was a hydrant kind. But I'm going to re-look back at that. But yeah, this is a good brand, guys. I like it. I love it. Oh yeah, and it has your face on it. It has it smoothly. So yes, I do recommend it. If you haven't tried their products, try it. I'm happy to try this one. So thank you for that one. So I just cannot wait to try that. Because yeah, with my skin, it is sensitive. I'm starting to realize that it is sensitive. And it also, my skin is dry. Like, it gets oily, but it also gets dry sometimes. So I have to moisturize it, but sometimes even if when I do moisturize it, it kind of gets a little oily. So I just find myself, I have to try to find something to balance it out. Since my skin is kind of sensitive and it's not able to do a lot of other chemicals. Okay, so the next thing I have, guys, this is the Double Act Shadow Stick. And this one, so this is a shadow stick crayon. So one side it has dust and the other one it has dawn. So look, this side is the dust. You guys can see it. And then this side is actually the dawn. And it's very pretty. So I'm happy, cannot wait to try that. The next thing I have, okay, this is Alpha H. This is the liquid gold with hydric acid. Alrighty, so this one, it says apply into your cleansed skin. And you do it's each alternate evening. So not every evening, so it's an alternate evening. So like if you do it on a Monday, do it on a Wednesday. To it. And then it just says apply to your face, your neck. So let's hold on, let me open it. So, and this is a pretty package though, guys. Look how pretty that is. Gold, fine gold. So alrighty, so this is what it looks like, guys. Once you have it all out. Yeah. And so you open it like that, and there, and it's just like that, guys. Yep. Alright, I cannot wait to try this either. I'm not really familiar with it, but I can't wait to try it. Now we do have, let me open this up. This is the Eyeko London. Alrighty. So unique. But this is what it looks like. And I'm not sure. I'm gonna have to see what this is actually is, but yeah, we got that. Let's see, what else do we have, guys? Alrighty, we're almost done. I promise, we're almost done, guys. Okay, so Pixi. Okay, so if you have not seen my other videos, yes, I have tons of Pixis. I love it. So I cannot wait to try this one and do a review and see which one is actually my favorite. So it comes in this, and this one's the Lipglow. So this is the tinted lip balm. And this is actually in a ruby. So let's open up and see what she looks like, y'all. All right. Oh wow, yeah, she's pretty, guys. And what? Alrighty, so look. Oh yeah. Let me see if I can. Oh, you probably cannot see it, guys, can you? Yeah, y'all cannot see this, but this is sparkly. Feels good. Oh my god, it feels good, guys. I cannot wait to try this. Oh yeah, I cannot wait. Oh yeah, she's too pretty though. Look, let me hold on. Actually, y'all probably can't see it, but it goes on very smoothly, guys. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I'm gonna have fun with this one. So yeah, I cannot wait. And then I have a Shandi and this is the serum. So looks like this. let's open her up to see. Alright, oops, look, dropping stuff, y'all, look. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Oh, yeah. Alright, you see, guys? Alright. Oh, yeah. It's smooth. Oh, yeah. Yeah, it feels smooth, guys. Yeah. I can't wait to try this either. I think I got a lot of serums, if I'm not mistaken. I think I do. And then this next one is called Blinc. This is a UtraVolume tubing mascara, and this is actually in black. So it looks like this. Let me see if it's like all the other like mascaras I got. Wow. Oh, well, that's how it looks going on, guys. All right, so I can't wait to try it. Yeah, I can't wait to try it, guys. But yeah, so that is actually all that was in there. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is my first unboxing video of makeup for the year for 2022, guys. So I did one last year, but I'm going to continue to keep doing this for you guys. I'm going to do another video of the products that I did get, and I'm going to tell you how I like the products, guys. So I'm going to end this video, and I do hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.